वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Hello children, very happy to meet you once again. So I am Rudra here for the session. Let's sing along. So today's poem is about duck. You know, a duck is a friendly creature and they are more curious. Ducks are aquatic birds. They will live on fresh water as well as sea water. A male duck is called drag and a female duck is called hen. A baby duck is called duckling. So you know, this poem is about a duck. Let's see. Duck. A duck lived by the waterside. Little did he lack. When we asked, "How do you do?" he only said, "Quack, quack, quack." Now I will say, you have to repeat with me. Slowly we will say first, okay? A duck lived by the waterside. Little did he lack. When we asked, "How do you do?" he only said, "Quack, quack, quack." We will say one more time. A duck lived by the waterside. Little did he lack. And when we asked, "How do you do?" he only said, "Quack, quack, quack." So now we will say a little bit faster. A duck lived by the waterside. Yes, say with me. A duck lived by the waterside. Little did he lack. And when we asked, "How do you do?" he only said, "Quack, quack, quack." A duck lived by the waterside. Little did he lack. And when we asked, "How do you do?" he only said, "Quack, quack, quack." Okay. I hope so, children. You will enjoy this poem. Practice in your home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello kids, today we are going to do Surya Namaskar. Let's work out. Do these steps along with me.
going to teach you building blocks, that is vocabulary words. Today you will learn 5 new words along with their meanings. So please listen the class carefully because these words will be asked in worksheets. Okay, now we shall start the class. The first word is heroic, brave. Okay, now repeat after me. Heroic, 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 brave, 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 heroic, 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 brave, Brave, brave. Heroic means brave. That is, what is that? Brave means not afraid of anyone or any people. Now the sentence for this word is, the soldiers received medals for their heroic actions. Or you can say the soldiers received medals for their brave actions. Okay. Now we shall move to the second word. The second word is ideal, perfect. Now repeat after me. Ideal, I-D-E-A-L, ideal, perfect, P-E-R-F-E-C-T, perfect, ideal, I-D-E-A-L, ideal, perfect, P-E-R-F-E-C-T, perfect. When you use the word ideal, when a person does his or her work correctly, we say that he or she is perfect or he or she is ideal. Now the sentence for this word is, he or she is the ideal person to be a class monitor. Okay. Now we shall move to the third word. Joy, happiness, joy, happiness. Now repeat after me. Joy, J-O-Y, joy, happiness, H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S, happiness, joy, J-O-Y, joy, happiness, H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S, happiness, joy, happiness. Happiness or joy, both are same. That is, what does it mean? Happiness is being very happy. Okay. Now the sentence for this word is, she jumped in joy, or we can say she jumped out of happiness. Okay. Now the fourth word, least, and the meaning of the word is smallest in amount. Least, smallest in amount. Okay, now repeat after me. Least, L-E-A-S-T, least, smallest in amount. Smallest, S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest, in, I-N, amount, A-M-O-U-N-T, amount, smallest in amount. Least, L-E-A-S-T, least, smallest in amount. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest in amount. In amount, A-M-O-U-N-T, smallest in amount. Now the sentence for this word is, the poor girl had least amount of money. The poor girl had small amount of money. Okay. Now the last word, that is the fifth word is main, and the meaning of the word is most important. Main, most important. Now repeat after me. Main, M-A-I-N, main, most important. M-O-S-T, most important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important, most important. Main, M-A-I-N, main, most important. M-O-S-T, most important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, most important. Now the sentence for this word is, Max is the
main subject. Maths is the most important subject. Okay, now we shall repeat all the 5 words together once again. Okay, now the first word is heroic, brave. Now the second word is ideal, perfect. The third word is joy, happiness. Okay, the fourth word is least, smallest in amount. Now the fifth word is main, most important. Okay, so these are the 5 new words which you have learned today. Hope you have understood. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning children. My name is Aishwarya. I welcome you to Let's Get to Know More. In this session, you are going to see different videos with different topics. So it is going to be very interesting session. Shall we get into video?
Black hole entered our solar system.
Don't worry, Sum is ready. I will save everybody.
Wow, Sum. Firstly, black holes' gravity will cause complete chaos in our solar system. Orbits of planets as well as comets will be significantly altered. Initially, comets and meteorites might start hurtling towards us. Later, even the planets might start colliding with each other. Secondly, even if a gigantic planet like Jupiter comes in the path of the black hole, it will be devoured. Thirdly, if the black hole comes near Earth, initially its intense gravitational pull will cause devastating earthquakes and volcanoes. When the black hole reaches our orbit, there will be nothing left but an uninhabitable magma-laden rock. Lastly, our sun might offer some resistance to start with. A gravitational tug-of-war might ensue, but eventually even our beloved sun will be ripped apart to pieces. What if our sun became a black hole?
Easy peasy. I will turn the lights back on.
Oh, Sum. Black holes are formed when stars which are about 10 times the mass of our sun or higher use up all their fuel and explode. Eventually they collapse under the weight of their own gravity and form a black hole. Now if our sun became a black hole, firstly, it would be less than 6 kilometers across. Secondly, no guesses here, everything will be pitch dark as there will be no more sunlight. Thirdly, without sunlight, life as we know it will slowly but surely wither away. Fourthly, planets in the solar system will not get sucked into the black hole though. Why? Firstly, sun will not contain more matter than it has now. Secondly, sun's position with respect to the planets will not change.
What if you fell into a black hole? I'll color it with my colored pencils.
No. Boundary of the black hole is called event horizon. Small black holes have stronger gravitational forces than large ones. If you fell towards a small black hole, the strong gravitational forces would stretch you until you are torn apart, even before you cross the event horizon. In case of a large black hole, you'd be able to enter it unharmed, falling freely until you reach its center or point of singularity. Here, you would get squashed and merge into it. But your friend observing this from outside never actually sees you enter the black hole. He just sees you fall in slow motion, freeze, and then go dimmer. Why? Because our current laws of physics don't apply beyond the event horizon, making it impossible for us to see beyond. What is a black hole? Usually, when a star is alive, the inward force of gravity is exactly balanced at each point by the outward force created by hot gases and radiation. These inward and outward forces maintain balance and hold the star together. However, when the star runs out of fuel, there are no hot gases and radiation. Hence, there is no outward force to balance the inward pull of gravity, and thus, the star begins to die. The star's core begins to collapse under its own gravity. This collapse causes the outer layers to blow apart in a huge explosion called a supernova. Now, it is estimated that if a star has at least 20 times more mass than our Sun, then the star collapses to form a black hole. The surface or boundary of a black hole is called event horizon. Nothing can escape from within the event horizon of a black hole, not even light. Hence, the black hole appears black. Why is space black?
'Cause somebody forgot to pay the electricity bill.
Nah. Our Sun is a huge star, which emits a tremendous amount of light. However, like our Sun, there are so many stars in the universe that counting them is almost impossible. So, if there are so many stars, the space shouldn't be black or dark, right?
Absolutely.
However, this is not the case. According to a study, the space appears black because the universe is expanding. This expansion is causing the visible light emitted by the stars to stretch out so much that when it reaches our eyes, they cannot detect it. As our eyes cannot detect any visible light, the space appears black to us. Moreover, light has a specific speed limit. So, light from far, far away stars has not even reached us. Thus, the space appears black.
Okay children, I hope you enjoyed this video. In next session, we will meet with different topic. Be safe at home. Take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Grandma's tales. Grandma's tales.
Good morning children, I am Gayatri. Today I am going to tell you a story about punctuality. What do you mean by punctuality? On time. You have to do all your work on time. Our principal ma'am always used to say, no, you should be in school before the first bell rings. Okay, that is by 8:50. You should be in the school. That is only punctuality. Okay, shall we go on to the story today? The topic of the story is punctuality. So, two friends are there, Ram and Sham. Okay, one friend is very punctual. Ram is very punctual, but Sham is very lazy. Always is not at all goes to school in time. What are all the scenes that is going to enact now? Shall we see now? So, Ram is getting ready for the school and he is almost ready. But the Sham is not at all ready. Sham is asking Ram, Sham, it's late. Are you coming to school or not? 2 minutes, Ram. I have to tie my shoelace. So both are going to school. Ram was punctual and regular in all his works. Okay, if the homework is given and daily lessons are taught, means he will finish it on that day itself. He will not postpone anything. Like that, you have to do all your works on time. Okay, so but Sham, he will be keeping all the works till the last time. Okay, so Sham is little bit lazy. Okay, we should not be lazy always. So Ram is one day asking to Sham, Sham, have you seen the notice board? What is there? He is asking. So, I have not seen the notice board. Tell me the thing. In the notice board, a competition has been declared in the school. It is about cricket. So, we have to write an essay about cricket. The last date for the submission is on Monday. All the information is given by Ram to Sham. So, Ram is telling to Sham that we have to collect information about cricket to write the essay for that competition. But Sham, what Sham is telling? I will not write today. Saturday is a holiday. So, I will prepare on Saturday. But what the Ram did? He finished the essay he went immediately to the library on the free period and finished writing, and he submitted on Friday itself. But Sham is waiting for the Saturday. He has wasted almost 4 days in a week. Okay. Then what happened? Ram went to library on Saturday. He prepared for that competition on Saturday, and Monday also as usual. Sham came to school very late. 9 o'clock means he came to school by 9:30. So he submitted the competition essay also late on that day. So what the teacher said, both of you done the competition very well, but the first prize goes to whom? To Ram, because he has submitted the competition paper on before time. So the teacher said the prize goes to Ram. What is the prize, do you know? The complete cricket set kit. What are all the things will be there? Gloves, pads, cricket bat, ball. So everything is given to Ram because he is very punctual. But what Ram said, don't worry Sham, I will share the prize with you. So now the Sham is also happy, and he said, hereafter in my lifetime I will be very punctual. I will finish all my works on time. Okay? Okay children, now you can understand the moral of the story. All the things you should do on time. Punctuality should be there. Okay? Thank you children.
Thank you.
Good morning children, welcome to craft time. Today I am going to show you a simple craft with A4 size color paper. I am going to show you a greeting card. Shall we see the materials? A4 size color paper, any color of your choice, crayons, glue, scissors, pencil and a square piece of white paper and small piece of paper, any color. Now we'll start doing it. Take an A4 size paper, fold it into half. You can take any paper, any color paper. Done? We have taken it half. Last class I showed you fan folding, right? We are going to do the same technique. Same technique of fan folding. Once up, then down. Up, down. Up, down. If you don't have A4 sheet color paper, you can use chart paper also children. Up, down, up, down. The whole thing is with fan fold technique. We have to do only till the half. Now open it. No, one side. See, can you see the fan fold? We'll stick a tape here. Okay, this will do it when we assemble a paper. So we'll keep this aside. Now we are going to take a piece of any color paper. We'll cut this into heart shape. Whenever you are using scissors, make sure elders are Now, so whenever you take scissors, make sure elders are nearby. Take help of them. Now we'll take pencil. We'll write wishes. Happy birthday. I am going to make a birthday card. You can make Teacher's Day, Mother's Day, thank you card. Now we'll take crayons. Draw a cone balloon shape. Balloon. You know how to draw a balloon? We'll draw 3-4 balloons. And we'll color it. Each balloon will color in different colors. So your card will be colorful. Now you will. Now the card is over. You can just decorate here as you like. Okay. What we are going to do is take Fevicol, stick this here. Put only little Fevicol, so only just few drops, 4 single drop in the corner and a small in the middle. Stick it. After you stick it, see, now we have folded this. We'll stick Fevicol here. Allow all of this to dry. Wait for some time. Okay, let it dry. After this, we'll take a piece of paper. We'll make a small heart. We'll make a small heart. Cut it. If you feel difficult to cut in the heart shape, ask elders to help it for you. We'll stick the heart here. See, now here, see, this is taking time to dry, so we leave it as it is. It's a simple process. See, now your card is ready. Did you all like it, children? You also try this at home. Okay? Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next class with another craft. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Good morning, children. My name is Aishwarya. I am your EVS teacher. Hope you all remember me. Okay children, in today's class we are going to see about water. You all know about water, right? So, in this session we are going to see about water. So it is going to be very interesting session. I hope you are all going to enjoy this session. Okay children, let's get into today's class. Okay, what is water? Water is the most important liquid on earth. It covers almost 75% of Earth's surface in the form of river, ocean and lake. See, all the plants and animals need water to live. Without water, they can't able to live on earth. So, water is very essential to all the living creatures on earth. We are also depending on water, right? We are also depending on it. All the works are depending on water. Without water, we can't cook, we can't wash clothes, we can't drink, isn't it? So what is the most important thing, no? Yes. In the last year, we have faced a water scarcity in Chennai. You know, right? We all brought water for money. But water is a God's gift. Okay. So, water is very essential to us. So, what we did? We have brought for money. We have bought it for money. So, water is the most important liquid on earth. Okay. The next we are going to see about uses of water. We have used water for drinking, for cooking, for washing clothes, for cleaning vessels. For everything we need water, right? Without water, all the daily works will be stopped. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Without rain, we don't have water. So it is the main source of water. Yes, last year we have faced water scarcity, right? We didn't have water. We got water for money. But it's a God gift, isn't it? If we don't have rain, what happened? It's full of water scarcity. We have got water for money, isn't it? We have to save the rainwater. We should save the rainwater, or else we will face a drought condition. Okay, so rain is the main source of water. I hope you all understand this. Without rain, we will face water scarcity. So rain is the main source of water. It fills up rivers, lakes, wells, ponds, which are the main source of other important sources of water. Okay, because of rain, the rivers will be filled. Because of rain, our ponds will be filled. So rain is the main source of water. Okay, in villages we have seen well, right? Well is the main source of water for village people. Okay, we have a groundwater in the well. And in some other places they will use tube wells to get the water. So these are the main source of water. So what are the main source of water? The very main source of the water is rain. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, and it fills all the rivers, lakes, ponds, which are other important sources of water. Okay, and wells are the main source of water, tube wells are the main source of water. Okay, so these are the main source of water.
Okay, look at the picture, children. Now I'm going to explain about natural sources of water. So what are the natural sources of water? Oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes and streams. These are the natural sources of water. Rainwater is the main source of water. Rain is needed as a source of fresh water, which is essential for the survival of humans, plants and animals. Look at the next picture. I have mentioned some uses of water here. So the first one is cooking, bathing, brushing, drinking, cleaning house, washing clothes, washing items, and watering plants.
Next, we are going to see about water forms in many ways. Okay, the first one is dew. What is dew? See, during morning or evening, you can see some water droplets on leaves, right? That is called dew. Look at the picture. Dew. Dew is water in the form of droplets that appears on leaves in the morning or evening. See the droplets on the leaves? That is called dew. Okay? The next one is snow. You all know snow, right? Children, you all went to entertainment places, no? Like Fun City and all. So there you have a snow world, isn't it? You have went to snow world place, right? How do you feel? You feel very chilled, right? All the snow will be falling on you. Okay, so that is called snow. Look at the picture. Frozen water vapor which falls as flakes. See the picture. The children are playing in the snow world. What happened? There are some flakes, water flakes, like a snow. Okay, it is a snow. And see the another picture, that is also example for snow. So what is snow? Frozen water vapor which falls as flakes. The next one is ice. That is frozen water. Look at the picture, children. Frozen water. See there? All the waters will be freezed and it will be ice. So that is called frozen water. That is ice. Okay. And water is available in three forms. That is solid, liquid and gas. So what are they? Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, you all have refrigerator at home, isn't it? There you have a freezer box. You have an ice cube box, isn't it? Pour some water in the ice cube box. Keep it in the freezer. Then after few hours, you will see water becomes ice cube. So that is called solid. Okay, now look at the picture. That is solids. What is solids? Ice is a solid form of water. Water changes into a solid when cooled. It has a definite shape. Okay, so that is called solid. As I told you, the water will be cooled. After it freezed, then it become a ice cube. So it has some shape, right? So that is called solid. Okay, next we'll go with a liquid. See, water doesn't have shape, isn't it? If you pour in the container, for example, if you pour water in a water bottle, it is in the shape of water bottle then, isn't it? It doesn't have shape. So it depends on the container which we used. Okay, so look at the picture, children.
In liquid form, water takes the shape of the container. Water doesn't have shape. Okay, it is in a liquid form. The next we are going to see about gas. Before that, I want to give you one example.
Pour some water in the bowl. Okay, then keep it on the stove. Make the water boil for a few minutes. After some times, you can see that water will be becoming gas. So that is called gas. Look at the picture, children. On heating or boiling, water changes into water vapor. This is a gas. See the picture? They have kept a bowl of water on the stove. So on heating or boiling, water changes into water vapor. You can see some gases there. You can see some gas there, right? So that is called gas. Children, we have discussed about forms of water. Now I'm going to tell you how to save water. You all should save water. Okay? You're not supposed to waste water. Everybody save your water. Water is a precious gift from God. If we get gift from mother or father, what we'll do? We'll keep it in safe. We never break it or we never lost it. Same like that. This is a God's gift. You all should save the water. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to save water. Okay, look at the picture. Saving water in the bathroom. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. See the first picture. When you brush teeth, don't waste water. Turn off the tap. Then you can use the water. After brushing teeth, you can use the water. Take shorter baths. Okay. If you want to take bath, take water in a bucket. Don't use shower. Okay. Turn off tap while applying soap. Okay. Turn off tap after each use. Don't flush tissue paper or waste into the toilet. Okay. See the next picture. Saving water in the kitchen. Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. Use water from melted ice cubes of iced drinks to water plants. Use the flushed out RO water to wash cars and bikes. Children, I hope you understood the picture. So we should save the water. And I'll give you some more tips to save water. For example, if your mother is washing rice, use that water for vegetables. To wash vegetables, use that rice water. Okay? And if you are using RO at home, use that for cleaning vessels. We can reuse water with many ways. Discuss with your parents how to reuse water. Okay, I hope today you are all going to discuss about it. So water is very important, children. So reuse the water. From this session, we have learned how to save water. What is water? What are the sources of water? How to reuse the water? So we have discussed a basic thing about the water. But in future, we will learn more about water. So children, please don't waste your water. It is very precious thing. I'm repeating again and again, it is a God's gift. We should not waste it. Okay children, I hope you understood this lesson. Hope you are safe and good. Be safe at home. Okay, thank you.